Well, good morning, everybody. I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I'm back with another try at a surreal collage. And I finally want to use this peacock on the beach, and I thought it might be fun if we had some of his feathers poking out through the umbrella. So that's my idea so far. I don't have any other ideas yet, but I might put some kind of bird or something on top of the umbrella also. So what I think my first thing that I have to do is kind of cut down some of these feathers so I can poke them out through the umbrella. I don't know, I hope this works. And then I have to figure out where. Like maybe we've got this one here that we can poke out, and this one. So I need to mark where my cuts are going to be in the umbrella, which is not easy to do. So, and then I feel like maybe some of them should be under the umbrella, because like you can't even tell the umbrellas, that's an umbrella kind of, you know? So, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. I really don't. Let's see. We got something here, maybe like right here. We can poke this one. And we got this, so maybe like right here. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm doing it right. And right here. So this is what I came up with. I can't say that I'm super happy with it. It's very crude. But I think you get the idea of what I was trying to do. I was trying to get the feathers poking out. And maybe I should put some lower, like poking out at a lower spot. That might look more realistic. I'm not sure, but let's try it. Yeah, like I said, this is not something I do very often. So let's see, we'll have this one poking through this spot. Not easy to get everything in place when you're doing this. I probably was not even on camera, was I? Okay, let's get you up there. Okay. And we've got that. And I feel like maybe this one should be out in the front. I don't know, maybe I could do this. That looks weird. That doesn't look good. But it might if I poke a hole. Let's see, if I poked like a little hole right here, and then I just did this. Did it go through? Okay, let's try that again. Okay, did that work? I don't want to take it out because I know it'll be very hard to get it back in. How does that look? I think this is what we're going to go with because I can't do this anymore. This is too hard. So let's go get this guy glued down. I think we'll do the feathers first, so they'll be in the right spot. Ooh, get down, back down in there. Actually, that looked pretty good. That looks pretty good. Okay. Make sure everything's in the right spot. So please tell me if you are a veteran at doing this, how I can improve my technique. Because obviously I need to. Oops. All right. And I still wonder what I can put on the top, like maybe right here. Maybe a bird flying in the sky? I don't know. Oh boy, now we got these little feet. These skinny little toes. Hopefully I got enough glue on them. Okay. I think I did. So that's it so far. Not exactly as beautiful as I thought it would look, but I think, you know, it could have been if I had been more skilled. I think it would have been really cool. But now we need to figure out something for here, and then we need to glue it down. So, and then I need to bring my garbage cans back in. I just heard a truck or something out there. Okay, so I almost feel like I should trim this white part off. See how it's white there? I don't know if that's gonna work. Yeah, I don't think I can without making it worse. Let's leave well enough alone. Okay, let's see if I have any weird birds I could put in there. A fish. There's another peacock. That might be fun to put on there somewhere. I don't think it would fit on top though. Oh, how about this one? Is it too blue? It might be too blue, and I think it's too big also. I do like the idea of... Oh, here's some smaller birds, like the parrot. That would be perfect. Okay, let's cut out the parrot and that other peacock and see what we think. Oops. The parrot is blue, though. It might blend in with the sky. Maybe not. Okay. And then, where happened to my other peacock that I was talking about? Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, let's cut that peacock out. And then we'll see if they will fit into our little layout. Ooh. I hear a lot of traffic going on out there. Whoops. I don't know what it is. We do usually have traffic here during the day, but it sounds like very loud traffic. All right, I'm going to cut these out properly and come back when I'm done. Alright, so I am going to put this one right here. However, I noticed after I cut it out that he's hanging onto a stick. And there's no sticks anywhere here. I could maybe put him like hanging on to the chair. Let's try that, and then I'll find something else to put up on top, but the only thing is there is a little bit of the stick there over his body, so It might still look a little weird, but you know what? I think it'll be okay. We'll cut him out as best we can, because I think he would be good in this one, but not on top of the umbrella, because there's nothing for him to be grabbing onto there. So the longer I'm doing this, the hotter it seems to be getting. It's crazy. It's May 20th. It's not usually that hot here in May, but what you gonna do? It's okay. I'd rather have heat than cold. So I'd rather have nice weather than blustery winter weather. Now let's get inside this. And actually, I gotta get the whole stick out. And there's that little tiny speck there, but I don't think I'm going to worry too much about that. So, you might have to cut off a little bit of his tail to make it look like he's hanging onto the chair. Or maybe he could hang onto this. Actually, that looks better. He's hanging onto this little bar on the chair. So, I'm going to go ahead and glue these two down. And then we'll come back with a solution for the top. We need something else up there, in my opinion. Okay. Sometimes less is better, though, I have to be honest. But now we've got the whole bird there, so that's good. Let's get this guy down. Oops. He was not easy to get cut out. I cut off part of his tail feathers because they were so delicate. I don't know how people do that either. Okay. So let's do this. He's looking back at these birds, and now I just have to get back into my bird section here and find a small, I think is this the same one I was looking at? Let's see, what about these two little tiny guys? They're kind of cute. I don't think I was looking at this one before. I think it was the other book. That's alright. I do like these two, so let's see if I can get them cut out. I think they would be perfect on top of here, maybe? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out. I can always go back to the other book and look for more birds. I don't see any others here that I think would be a good match, you know, for a tropical bird. I don't know, are peacocks even tropical? Where are they from? I have no idea where peacocks are from. Alright, I'm going to cut this out and be back. Okay, so I decided actually to put a little monkey on here instead of these birds, because they just, I don't know, they're just too small. They kind of blend in too, even though they are green. So we're going to put the monkey on there. And then you can see that I found a bird that looks like it's flying. So we're going to put that there. And then I think this is it for us. That's it. That's all I wanted to do to this. And we'll glue it down in the book. and chalk it up to an experience. There. So that's what that looks like. Probably could have come up with some way of making this look a little more realistic on here. I had thought about putting him in the chair, like maybe behind the bird, but the bird was glued down already. But then again, too, he would be the same color as the chair and would just blend right in. So this is my best scenario here. Let's glue it down. That's weird. Oh, it's calendar. The other side was upside down. It's not really upside down. I got scared there for a minute. Don't ask me why. I thought it was upside down because the sky was at the top. That's ridiculous. But there we have it. My tropical peacock scenery. My tropical peacock scene. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay happy, healthy, and safe and strong, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.